It's like that's the sort of thing that needs to happen for humanity to have a great future in space. So we want to keep pushing that. And I think like key to that future is reusability. So that's why we've worked quite hard on reusability.
Tesla has done the impossible. The 757 tiny house you won't believe exists. Elon Musk has done it again. In a move that has shocked the tech world, Tesla has unveiled the Tesla Tiny House 2025, a fully autonomous, self-contained, intelligent home for an unbelievable price of just $757. Yes, you heard that right. $757 for a home that offers more than most luxury gadgets on the market today. That price is less than the cost of the latest Mac Pro. So, how can Tesla pull this off? The answer lies in their revolutionary manufacturing tech that's already transforming how they make cars. But there's one burning question on everyone's mind. If the house is this cheap, what about the land to put it on? Here's where it gets fascinating. Tesla has found a way to avoid that problem entirely. No land required. But how? And what exactly is this Tesla Tiny House 2025? Let's dive into all the exciting details in today's video. What's inside the $7,579 Tesla Tiny House that's breaking the internet? Introducing the Tesla Tiny House 2025. This is more than just a small home. It's a revolutionary approach to affordable living. At just 240 square feet, Tesla has created a tiny home packed with features that would be unheard of at this price point. The house is made from Tesla's Green Core composite materials, a blend of recycled carbon fiber, plant-based resins, and automotive-grade aluminum. These materials are not only environmentally friendly, but they're 37% stronger than traditional building materials, offering R38 insulation while being 64% lighter. In fact, the entire house weighs only 850 pounds, making it light enough to be towed by a Tesla Cybertruck. The modular design means you can link several units together for more space. Each unit is about 9 feet wide and 20 feet long, perfect for a cozy bachelor pad, or you can combine them into a 720 square foot family home. All you need is 2 people and 15 minutes to connect them. Inside the Tesla Tiny House, smart and efficient. Tesla didn't stop at innovative materials. The interior is loaded with smart features. A Murphy bed that doubles as a workspace, a 6.4-foot kitchen with dual-zone induction cooking, and an energy-efficient refrigerator. A water-efficient shower that uses 40% less water. A smart bathroom with a water-saving system that recycles up to 70% of gray water. All these features make the house not just functional, but highly energy efficient and eco-friendly. Tesla's new solar glass roof powers the house with 4.8 kilowatt hours of energy per day, while the Powerwall Mini stores enough energy for 3 full days without sunlight. And when the sun's out, it runs off-grid, meaning zero utility bills for most of the world. Innovative design meets affordability. So how can Tesla make this house so affordable? Tesla's unique vertical integration allows them to create nearly every part of the house in-house, cutting down costs significantly. They even use 3D printing to eliminate up to 90% of construction waste, reducing the time to complete each unit to just 19.5 hours. With all this tech, the base cost of the house is just $7,579, and the operating cost is around $267 per year, a fraction of traditional tiny homes. But wait, what about the land? Here's the kicker. No land needed. Tesla is working on solutions to make this affordable home accessible anywhere. Imagine parking it in your backyard, a commercial parking lot, or even on low-cost rental lots. Tesla has even proposed sustainable communities, where Tesla tiny houses could be placed in micro-neighborhoods powered entirely by renewable energy. Some municipalities, especially in places like California and Texas, are exploring this idea with low-cost land leases for Tesla tiny houses. Could this be the future of housing? This isn't just a home, it's part of Tesla's vision for affordable, sustainable living. And while some might still question the future of this revolution, there's no denying that Tesla has once again broken the mold. If you could live in a Tesla tiny house for just $757, would you? Or are you still unsure? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the latest from Tesla and the future of housing.